If you're gonna try and like undermine Pokemon's success and longevity, you're gonna have to win over actual Pokemon fans. And the reality of that is, like, the biggest enablers of Power World are not and never have been Pokemon fans in any way, shape, or form. And it is about time that we really start calling them out on that, because I am so sick of people in my comment section going down there. They're probably doing it right now, going down there and saying that they were huge fans of Pokemon and that they've just gotten really tired of what Game Freak does. Don't believe it. Like, never believe it. Like, it just isn't true. Power World is bad. Okay, it has no redeeming qualities whatsoever. It's just a method, the next weapon to use against Nintendo and the Pokemon Company. And it is high time we regard it as a complete nothing burger that has left no impact on anything whatsoever.
Armor Smith, he's the name. Nintendo reign.